Are you over 50 and worried about plaque and tartar silently damaging your teeth and gums? What if I told you there's a simple, proven method to remove it at home, naturally, safely, and without expensive dental treatments? Today, you'll discover exactly how to clean your teeth, reduce sensitivity, fight cavities, and protect your gums, all with a routine designed for people in our age group. Hello and welcome. On this channel, we uncover real, science-backed solutions to stay healthy, strong, and vibrant after 50. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments what health topic you want me to cover next. As we age, our enamel thins, gums recede, and teeth become more vulnerable, making plaque and tartar harder to remove and more damaging than ever. But the good news is that even small, consistent actions can reverse this process, protect your teeth, and improve your overall oral health. By the end of this video, you'll understand why plaque and tartar form faster after 50, the root causes behind it, and the #1 remedy that actually works. I'll also share bonus tips and daily habits to make this method even more effective, so you can enjoy a healthy, strong smile for decades to come. Stay tuned, because taking a few simple steps today can transform your oral health, protect your smile, and boost your confidence. Let's dive in. The #1 remedy I recommend combines science-backed ingredients with simple daily habits that anyone can follow. It's designed to break down plaque, prevent tartar, and strengthen your teeth without causing damage or irritation. This method uses a combination of natural, safe agents that have been studied for their effectiveness against oral biofilm, the sticky layer that houses harmful bacteria. It's not about masking the problem with toothpaste or mouthwash alone. It's about addressing the root cause. We'll also include microcrystalline hydroxyapatite, a mineral similar to what your teeth and bones are made of, to help rematerialize weakened enamel. Alongside this, simple tools like baking soda, clove oil, and proper brushing techniques will ensure you're not just cleaning your teeth superficially, but actually disrupting the tartar formation process. For anyone over 50, this is particularly important because our enamel thins and our natural saliva production declines, making plaque harder to remove and tartar more likely to form. By using this method consistently, you reduce sensitivity, prevent cavities, and support long-term dental health. Later in this video, we'll also go over extra preventive strategies, dietary tips, and real-life success stories, so you'll know exactly how to make this method part of your daily routine. Understanding why plaque and tartar form is key to preventing them, especially after 50. Plaque is essentially a sticky layer of bacteria that forms on your teeth, feeding on sugars and starches from the food you eat. Over time, if not properly removed, it hardens into tartar, a calcified substance that's much harder to remove. After 50, several factors make us more prone to plaque buildup: thinning enamel, receding gums, reduced saliva flow, and even certain medications. These changes create a perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. One particularly harmful bacterium is Streptococcus mutans, which not only contributes to plaque formation, but also produces acids that erode enamel and increase cavity risk. Additionally, lifestyle habits like frequent snacking, high sugar intake, and improper brushing techniques accelerate tartar formation. Left unchecked, this plaque can lead to gingivitis, gum recession, and even systemic health issues, as bacteria can enter the bloodstream and affect other organs over time. The good news is that once you understand the science behind plaque and tartar, you can actively reverse and prevent it. By combining the right ingredients, brushing method, and dietary adjustments, you attack the root cause, not just the surface symptoms. In the next sections, I'll show you step-by-step how to safely remove plaque and prevent tartar at home, along with some bonus tips that make this method even more effective for seniors over 50. Now let's go through the exact steps to safely remove plaque and tartar at home. A routine designed specifically for adults over 50. First, reduce your intake of sugary and starchy foods, as these feed the bacteria that create plaque. Next, you'll need a simple brushing paste that combines natural ingredients to target tartar effectively. Start by mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of clove oil and a pinch of microcrystalline hydroxyapatite powder, if available. Add just enough water to make a smooth paste. Then brush your teeth in gentle circular motions, covering all surfaces, outside, inside, and chewing surfaces, once a day. Focus especially on areas near the gums and between teeth where tartar tends to accumulate. After brushing, rinse thoroughly and consider chewing a gum that contains friendly oral bacteria. This helps repopulate your mouth with beneficial microbes, keeping plaque from returning. By following this routine consistently, you disrupt tartar formation, protect your enamel, and reduce sensitivity, all without harsh chemicals or expensive dental procedures. Each ingredient in this method has a specific role in protecting and improving your oral health. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps remove surface plaque while neutralizing acidity in your mouth, which is especially important after 50 when enamel tends to weaken. Clove oil is a natural antimicrobial agent. Just a few drops in your paste disrupt the bacteria in plaque, reduce inflammation, and even ease sensitivity. It's one of the safest, most effective natural remedies for keeping tartar at bay. Finally, microcrystalline hydroxyapatite is a mineral closely related to the structure of your teeth and bones. When included in your brushing routine, it can fill in tiny cracks, remineralize weakened enamel, and strengthen teeth. This is especially valuable for seniors, whose enamel may have thinned over time. By combining these three ingredients, you get a powerful, natural, and science-backed formula that attacks tartar, protects enamel, and supports long-term oral health, all from the comfort of your home. In addition to the home removal routine, there are simple daily habits that can dramatically reduce plaque and tartar buildup. Start by flossing at least once a day to remove debris between teeth, where your brush can't reach. Drink plenty of water after meals to help wash away sugars and acids that feed harmful bacteria. Consider adding foods rich in vitamin K2 and vitamin A, such as grass-fed butter, eggs, and leafy greens. They strengthen enamel and support healthy gums. Chewing gum with beneficial oral bacteria can also help maintain a balanced mouth microbiome. Even small changes, like reducing snacking, using a soft bristle brush, and consistent nightly brushing, make a huge difference over time. For anyone over 50, these habits not only prevent tartar, but also protect your teeth and gums from sensitivity, cavities, and long-term damage. Let me share a quick story from someone who tried this routine. Margaret, 62, had struggled with plaque and gum sensitivity for years. Brushing alone didn't help, and she was worried about expensive dental procedures. After implementing this simple home method, using baking soda, clove oil, and hydroxyapatite, plus the daily habits we discussed, she noticed a difference in just a few weeks. Her teeth felt cleaner, her gums less inflamed, and the stubborn tartar had visibly reduced. Margaret also added small dietary changes, like more vitamin K2-rich foods, and chewed probiotic gum daily. Over time, she not only reversed plaque buildup, but also avoided painful cavities and dental visits. Stories like hers show that even after 50, consistent, science-backed routines can transform your oral health, protect your enamel, and give you the confidence to smile freely again. Now that you know the #1 home remedy for plaque and tartar after 50, along with the key ingredients and daily habits to protect your teeth, it's time to put this into action. Consistency is what makes these steps effective. Brushing properly, using the recommended paste, flossing, and following the dietary tips will prevent tartar buildup and strengthen your enamel over time. I encourage you to start today, even with small changes, because every day you delay is another day. Plaque is building. Track your progress, notice the improvements in your teeth and gums, and make this routine part of your daily life. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone over 50 who struggles with tartar, and comment below your experience. Your feedback not only helps others, but also lets me know what tips are working best for real people like you. Remember, taking a few minutes daily to care for your teeth now will save you time, money, and discomfort in the future. And keep your smile healthy and confident for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe for more Dr. Back tips to stay strong and vibrant after 50.